Hi, my name is Dan Berlin. I'm the Senior Research Associate for OTO Insights, which is the research division of One-to-One Interactive. And I'm here today to talk to you about our neuromarketing product, Quantimo, and the results of a study that we recently ran on allergy websites. So a little bit about neuromarketing. This is a new field of market research where we try to eliminate the cognitive bias that's inherent in focus groups and other types of traditional market research. And we do this by examining people's neurological, physiological, and emotional responses to stimuli. What I have here is the Emotive Epic headset, which we use in order to gather people's neurological response. And the traces that we get out of this are engagement and boredom, excitement, frustration, and meditation. And this allows us to see exactly what's engaging on different areas of the website. We also use an emotional instrument called Primo, which allows us to quantify people's emotions that they were feeling while looking at these websites. And finally, we have the users give an overall rating to these websites, and all three of these are combined into the Quantimo Engagement Index. And that's our single index of overall engagement that we use to compare websites and people's experience on these websites, their engagement. Quantimo is our neuromarketing product, which stands for quantifying emotions. And this is what we use in order to, again, get rid of that cognitive bias and to find out what people are really thinking about websites. And then what we do is we marry this up with the eye tracking information. And you can see behind me the eye tracking software, which allows us to see where on the screen we're looking, the users are looking. So the idea is really to marry up the engagement information, the neurological information, with the eye tracking to find out what exactly on the screen is engaging to people. And as I mentioned, we ran an allergy study a few weeks ago showing allergy sufferers different types of allergy websites. And what came out of that study are various insights as to best practices when pharmaceutical companies make websites. For instance, one of the findings that we had is that text-heavy websites are really not engaging to users. They may have been reading the text, but overall they found the sites just not engaging whatsoever, especially when the important safety information is really high up on the page. So really, Quantimo is really getting at those best practices, getting rid of that cognitive bias.